Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and right now, iOS 19 beta version has been released. Alright, and I'm sure most of you or all of you are, wanting to get the latest and the greatest version of iOS. Alright, but, since it's in beta version, alright, it will comes with a lot of bugs and issues as well. Alright, as well as like battery overheating, this and that. Alright, and some user may want to, because of all these issues, they might want to downgrade it to a more stable version like the current iOS 18. Alright, but there is not much tool that you can do that once you upgraded that. Alright, it's very hard to roll back. Alright, but what if I tell you there is a way that you can actually downgrade it, alright, to a stable iOS version, and as well as fix Apple stuck on Apple logo is most likely, alright, being like iOS 19 like being in like beta version, it might stuck on the updating part, alright, where you're just stuck at the Apple logo and there's no way you can use your phone. Alright, so today I will show you the way on how you guys can resolve all this issue, and it is with the help of this software right here. Alright, so this is the Tenorshare Reboot, and I've used this a lot of time, especially when there's always a new iOS version come out. I was very excited to try it out. Alright, but most of the time, sometimes the new iOS version may contains a lot of bugs and issues, and sometimes it happens to me once when my phone was stuck on the Apple logo, basically like a boot loop or something. Alright, and yeah, there's no way you can use your phone, and if you want to go outside to repair, or you go to the official Apple shop, alright, they will take your phone and you don't have a phone for a few days, or you'll charge you like an absurd amount of price. Alright, whereas with this software itself, alright, you can actually solve any issues you have with your iPhone. Alright, especially today our main topic will be fixing the Apple stuck at Apple logo. Alright, so yeah, I can fix most of the issues, and you can do it at the comfort of your own home, and you don't need to put your phone away for a few days for them to repair it for you. Alright, you can do this in just a few minutes, alright, in probably less than 5 to 10 minutes, and you can get your phone in full usage mode. So today I'm going to show you guys the software. I'm going to do a quick demonstration so you guys can see how easy the process is. Alright, and after that I'm going to go through the software itself. So right now, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software and see what are the features that it has. So let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself, alright, and it's very, very simple. Right? So at the start, I talked about iOS upgrade and downgrade. Alright, so they have these features right over here where you guys can upgrade it. Alright, you guys get to keep data, but sometimes if you want to downgrade it, alright, unfortunately you will have to lose the data, alright, your current data, because downgrading is a very tedious process. Alright, but with this software you can do it very, very easily, but comes at a cost as well. But if you have an issue updating, probably if you are like trying to update it to iOS 19 beta or what, alright, and your iOS is stuck, your phone is stuck on the Apple logo, alright, you guys can use this to upgrade it as well. Alright, or if you just want to recover no matter what other issues you have, alright, you guys can just click on start repair. Alright, so once you click on start repair, you guys can see there's standard repair and deep repair. Alright, so what I would recommend is, if your problem is not so serious or like those common issues, alright, you can just try the standard repair first, and if it doesn't work, alright, just go with the deep repair, because deep repair, they do have, say, it's data loss. Alright, but yeah, I think the standard repair can fix a lot of issues, especially my issue I have with iOS, my iPhone and iOS versions. Alright, in the past I always use the standard repair one, and it's been doing really, really well. So yeah, if you could just try the standard repair first, and I think it will fix most of the issues that you have. So you don't have to really go for the deep repair one. Standard repair will do, and you will not lose your data and such. So once you choose the standard repair, alright, especially if your phone is stuck on the Apple boot loop, alright, or the Apple logo, alright, click on put on standard repair. Alright, just plug your phone to your PC via USB cable, alright, and just let the software do the job. So right now I'm going to show you guys the whole process itself, alright, of it, solving the issue of your phone being stuck on Apple logo, because right now my phone, is kind of stuck on Apple logo. It happens to me right now, that's why I started making this video. Alright, so yeah, so let me just show you guys the whole demonstration process itself. Alright, and after that I'm gonna talk about other things as well. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration process itself. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see, this is my iPhone 15 and been stuck on the Apple logo for probably like an hour now. hour or two. Alright, and yeah, it's not doing anything, and I can't use my phone, which is really troublesome. Alright, so what I have to do now is basically connect my iPhone 2, my PC via the USB cable. Alright, and after that, I'll just use the reboot system repair. Alright, and after that, I just need to click on start repair. You guys can see my iPhone 15 has connected. Alright, and I will just use the standard repair. I don't have to use the deep repair because it's more for more complex iOS system issues. So for stuck on Apple logo, all this. Alright, just click on standard repair. Alright, as you guys can see, alright, it detected my iPhone, and after that you can see alright the firmware version number of this iPhone, so they will refresh the firmware, and you guys can see alright yeah, it will download it for you. Just have to press download. Alright, and after that so they will come to this screen, and they'll just choose the standard repair. So I click on standard repair. I just need to wait right now. So right now it's just the software doing its job. I just need to get a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and you will say standard repair completed. And as you guys can see, my Apple logo has slowly gone off, fade off, and my phone has been rebooted. So this is how incredible this software is, and how easy it is to use this software, alright, to fix your iPhone, especially being stuck on the Apple logo. So it's really simple to do with just a few click of button, and you are good to go. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you guys the deep repair mode. Just, alright, if the standard repair doesn't work, alright, if your phone is still stuck in Apple logo, but which is very and highly unlikely case. Alright, and if this does happen, basically it's somewhere deep within the software that having this issue. So this requires, a complete reset of your phone. Alright, so yeah, so which like I say is very highly unlikely, but if does happen, alright, you guys need to use the deep repair mode, unfortunately. Alright, so yeah, this will definitely solve the issues of being stuck at the Apple logo. So let's first, for example, your phone is still stuck at the Apple logo. Alright, for the deep repair mode, it's the same process as the standard repair. I'll just go to the software, connect your phone to the computer, choose the deep repair one. Alright, and you say your data loss. Alright, so you just click on deep repair, and you will say repairing system, and after that your phone, alright, will be able to reboot, but it has been factory resetted. Alright, but as you still can set up your phone as per normal, and use your phone as per normal, and it's not stuck on Apple logo anymore. Alright, so yeah, this is a process that is highly unlikely to happen, but if it does happen to you, alright, do use the deep repair mode. If the standard repair doesn't work and it's still stuck on Apple logo, use this method as well. So yeah, so yeah, this is the demonstration process itself, and you guys can see both processes is really easy. Alright, just a few clicks of a button, alright, and you guys can get your phone in fully working condition in just a few minutes time. Alright, so if you have seen from the demonstration process, it is so easy. Alright, you don't have to do a lot of things. More of things is just the software doing its job. So all you just have to do is just to get a cup of coffee, sit back and relax. Alright, just click a few buttons and you can get your phone into full recovered mode. Alright, in just less than 5 minutes, which is really amazing and really crazy, and it saves you tons of money rather than going to like a phone repair shop where they will charge you, like I say, an absurd amount of money. Alright, where you guys can spend like a quarter or fraction just to get the software itself. And yeah, it's very easy. Your privacy is protected as well, so they once they unlock your phone, they cannot see any information inside your phone because you're doing it at the comfort of your own home. Alright, compared to bringing to shops outside there. Alright, when they unlock it or they remove something, they can see your files and data. So basically your privacy is not even protected at all. Alright, so these are the main benefits of using this software. Alright, you can do it at the comfort of your own home. Don't need to wait for a few days for your phone to get repaired. Alright, and also your privacy is also protected as well. Alright, and they also have a lot of other features as well. So yeah, they have the anti-data recovery mode. Alright, you guys can use it if you want to. They also have the one-click reset, where sometimes if your phone like probably stuck or something or unable to reset and shut, alright, you guys can reset back to the iOS default settings, because sometimes maybe you'll probably have try around and mess up with different settings and your phone going haywire. You can use this to reset it to default settings, and you can start using it again, or you can do a complete factory reset if you have any issues with resetting your phone, or you can use this as well. So yeah, they have all these other features as well. So if you have your family members or your friends, they need help with your iOS devices, or you guys can use this to help them as well. Alright, so this is a tool that can help a lot of people. Alright, and they also have the recovery mode, so they can, once you connect your phone to your PC, you can immediately enter recovery mode or exit recovery mode with just a click of button. So it's very useful feature as well, especially you want to do like diagnostic, or you want to check if your phone is really hang, or for like some device lagging, this and that. Alright, you guys can use this into recovery mode very, very useful feature, and I use this a lot as well. So yeah, this is like, you know, a recovery hospital, or kind of like clinic, a hospital, right, for your iPhone, all right, to fix all kinds of iOS system issues, alright, you have, alright, and especially if you're watching this video, most likely because you have an issue with, you know, stuck on Apple logo, you can use this software, alright, to make it unstuck. Alright, so it's really, really awesome. And after, you know, recovering with this software, alright, I don't have any issues with my phone afterwards. Alright, some of the software if you use to recover, sometimes they will jailbreak your phone, and you know, sometimes they will install some random stuff, and or sometimes it just crashes and your phone become like, you know, bricked and it can't be used, and you know, there will have any issues in the future. But with this software, alright, I have, you know, do so many things on my iPhone with this software itself, right, and I have no issues with my iPhone at all. It works really, really well. Alright, even afterward, after a few months, a few years, alright, it still works really, really well. So if you guys want a software that is really reliable and able to fix, alright, over 150 plus different issues with your iPhone, alright, you guys can definitely use this with a peace of mind. Alright, so once again, if you want to check out this software right here, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below. Alright, and yeah, let me tell you, it's definitely very worth it. Alright, to get this software, you save a lot of money, and you can do it at the comfort of your own home, and you don't have to worry about your privacy being, you know, seen, and as well as, you know, you don't have to wait a few days for it to be there at the shop, this and that. Alright, so yeah, it's really, really amazing. So if you guys want to check out this software right here, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software and get your iPhone fixed or repaired in just less than 5 to 10 minutes time. So yeah, that's all for the guys. If I did this video really interesting and did really help you, alright, solve your issues of your iPhone being stuck on Apple logo, alright, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below. So that's all for the guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.